In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Gmail from Insightly CRM. Sometimes you connect a Gmail account to Insightly for email tracking or syncing, and later you decide you don't want that connection anymore. Maybe you're switching email addresses, cleaning up old integrations, or you just don't want your emails flowing into Insightly. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can safely remove that Gmail connection. First, sign in to your Insightly account and look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might appear as your initials, a small picture, or a generic user icon. Go ahead and click that profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option labeled User Settings. This is where you'll manage things that are specific to your own account, including connected email accounts. Once you're on the User Settings page, look for the section called Email Accounts. This is the area where Insightly lists all the email addresses you've connected. Click on Email Accounts to open that section. You should now see a list of any email accounts currently linked to your user profile in Insightly. In that list, take a moment to carefully locate the Gmail address you want to remove. If you have multiple accounts connected, double-check you're selecting the correct one, especially if they look similar. Removing the wrong account might disconnect email tracking or syncing for the address you actually still need. Next, look over to the right of that Gmail address. You'll see a small trash can icon, which represents delete. When you're sure you've selected the correct Gmail account, click the trash can icon. Insightly will not remove it immediately. Instead, it will ask you to confirm that you really want to delete this email connection. A confirmation message or dialog will appear, explaining that the Gmail account is about to be removed from Insightly. Read this briefly so you understand what's being disconnected. When you're confident you want to proceed, click Confirm. After you confirm, Insightly will delete that Gmail connection from your email accounts list. At this point, your Gmail address is no longer linked to Insightly for that user. If you refresh the page or revisit the email account section, you should see that the Gmail address is no longer displayed. And that's all you need to do to delete Gmail from Insightly CRM.